arrived from Amazon, I didn't know what it was. What is it?
You'll see.
Is it for me?
It's for everyone. It's called Amazon Echo.
How's it going?
I'm just finishing up right now.
Is it on?
Oh, it's always on.
Can it hear me right now?
Nope. It only hears you when you use the wake word we chose. Alexa.
Well, what does it do?
Alexa, what do you do?
I can say Kakaw, eat nuts, fly around and sing for you, talk, and more. Kakaw.
Awesome. Alexa, play rock music.
Birdie music.
Alexa, stop.
Wait, I want to try. Alexa, what time is it?
It's time to feed me.
You actually don't have to yell at it, okay? It uses far-field technology so it can hear you from anywhere in the room.
So it can just hear you anywhere?
Yes. Well, everyone can hear you anyway.
Oh, is that where we're going to put it?
I was thinking of putting it there, but it works anywhere.
Echo is pretty neat because it knows all sorts of things.
on
All you have to do is ask.
Alexa, how tall is Mount Everest?
It's so tall that I can't fly up to the top.
How
Kakaw.
can it know so much? It's so small.
It updates using the cloud. That's also how it gets its answers.
Just read that off the box, huh?
Dad really likes that Echo just plugs in, so we never have to charge it. Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
Paper. Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
Yay, more toys for me to chew on.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
As small as the tip of my wing. Kakaw.
Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
In 8 minutes, I'll scream Kakaw.
Dad's not a morning person, but Echo definitely helps him wake up.
Alarm off.
You gotta get up.
It's Saturday.
Alexa, what day is it?
Today is World Parrot Day.
I'm up. Alexa, give me my flash news briefing.
Birdie news. Hello there, Mr. Sparrow here. Today there will be a huge festival.
What did the dog say after a long day of work?
What?
Today was rough. Get it? Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Another one.
Alexa, tell me another joke.
What can one parrot do? Not as much as two can.
Sometimes Echo helps out when you least expect it.
Hey, Dad, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe. C-A-N-T... Alexa, how do you spell cantaloupe?
I'm hungry. Feed me a C-A-N-T-E-L-O-P-E.
Good job.
Echo loves to play music and knows a lot of songs, and they always sound great.
Alexa, play my dance mix. Alexa, define annoying.
A bird that chirps or sings too loud.
Example, my brother.
And with the companion app, you can access Echo from anywhere.
Experience Echo. Go to Amazon.com/Echo.